Good morning, it is day 2 in Dubai. We have got ready pretty quickly today. We've got a packed itinerary. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, the weather is like way less hot today. We're just in the metro station. We're going to be heading to Dubai Mall first and also the Burj Khalifa. And yeah, it's definitely less intense heat today. It's still definitely hot, don't get me wrong, it's still hot, but it's not going to be 37 degrees. I can't believe we had such hot weather yesterday. So this is a freshly baked bread with honey and cinnamon, and Waqar is like literally obsessed. He says like you've never tasted anything like this in your life, so let's do a taste test. So I had a little bite. It is really good. It basically melts in your mouth. So we've just ordered, and I just want to talk to you guys about what's happened today. Should I say the whole story?
About what?
Both.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so my husband called them at like 8:30 this morning. He set his alarm clock for 8:30 to call them to check that they had availability and to reserve tickets, right? So the guy was like, no, sorry, you can't reserve tickets, but there is availability, just come and buy them on the thing. And he like confirmed prices and stuff as well. So we get there, and obviously like it's not too far, but when you get to Dubai Mall, there's like these like travel agents, but there's loads of them. Like I think, did you say it's 2 kilometers? From the station to Dubai Mall, it's like 2 kilometers, and obviously you have to get to Dubai Mall.
No, not 2 kilometers, but it's far.
Well, it's pretty far. And then you have to go all the way down to the lower ground floor. So we go there and we're like, look, this is a situation, we called earlier on, they said there's tickets, can we buy them? And she was like, yeah, sure, you can buy them. And she was charging us £150 each just to go out to Burj Khalifa. Now, I know it's the tallest building in the world, I know like it has a lot of height, but 150 quid, like are you serious? That's like a stupid amount of money for one person to go up to the top. I think it included the virtual reality thing as well. We were just like, well, why is it so expensive? And she was like, well, if you want a better deal, you have to buy a ticket online. Now, obviously, like that's not so easy when you're a tourist and you're traveling to just buy something online. They didn't accept PayPal. You have to pay with your card. So we went all the way to Dubai Mall, which is beautiful, by the way. It's stunning. It's a really gorgeous mall. We went all the way there, and like for nothing basically, because we don't want to do any shopping. I am going to pop into Sephora like later on tonight when we go back and see the fountains, but we literally got up, didn't eat anything. We're like, woo, going to bed, woo, like so excited, and then I tried to rip us off like that. So if you are coming to Dubai at any point, then make sure that you order your tickets online before, I would say, before you actually travel out, because you can get some really good deals. Even on Groupon you can get good deals as well, and it's not worth paying £150 per person just to get to the top of the building. I'm sorry, it's just not. Like, I feel like they're trying to do a shard flex on us basically, and no, not doing it. So right now we're in Texas Steakhouse, which is like one of my husband's favourite restaurants apparently out here. So this is the Strawberry Cowboy Cooler. Look how big this is. I mean, this is how you know it's an American restaurant. But the sizes are so large. Yeah, let's try this.
That doesn't look nice.
It's very refreshing. Very, very refreshing. It's not as nice as the, what did I get yesterday? The Strawberry Daiquiri, which was like ice, but yesterday, but this is still very refreshing. And like, to be honest, that's how 2 glasses were. It's a value for money.
I'll do it. It's okay. I'm sure it just is.
Alright, so we've arrived at Global Village. We just realised that it's very near to Miracle Gardens. So if you're going to Miracle Gardens, then definitely make sure you stop off here afterwards, because otherwise you're going to be paying double the taxi rate. I came here when I was like 10 years old last time, and I have like very vague memories. I think we came when it was night time, so it'd be nice to see it in the daylight, and also of course to see how much it's developed and changed in the last sort of decade or so. Actually more than a decade. Yeah, I'm excited. Have you been here since? You've never been here before? That is not a bad entry price at all, eh? Oh, cute. So basically we've come to Global Village on family day, which we think me and Jordan are free. It is so busy, there's loads of Emiratis here as well as like tourists. And in each country, it's basically like, it's like a global market rather than a village, isn't it? You can buy stuff specific to each country, and typically they're all being very, very pushy, so we've been to a few. In Yemen there was like a lot of Yemeni honey, and then a lot of their jewellery as well, and some clothing. I'm sure that's going to be the same for all of them. We don't want to go to every country. We want to go to Egypt, obviously we want to go to Pakistan. We'll see which other ones are interesting, but yeah, it's super busy. It's very hot still. Like the heat, like the sun's not out, it's like a cloudy day, but it's a very humid heat. So like I'm kind of struggling a little bit with my hijab, to be honest with you. But there's like loads of hijabis here, mashallah, which is very nice to see. And yeah, let's go see what else Global Village can offer us. Bukhara is done, but I think he's enjoying this village as much as I thought he would. What do you think, Bubs? You're not a fan? Guys, the African part of Global Village is definitely my favourite so far. It's so vibrant and beautiful. I picked up 1 or 2 little giraffe things. Look at these giraffes, look, they're everywhere. Love it. We've just walked into AliExpress, like in person. Look at these. These are the same lashes that I buy. They are exactly the same. Now let's see how much they're selling them for.
Which ones?
That's where we're going to, inshallah. Look how cool this looks lit up in the dark. Mate, look at this, look at this. They don't just choke you up, yeah? They spin you around as well. Mate, that is not the one for me. That is not the one. So we just saw the spectacular Dubai Fountain show. It was pretty amazing. I love the Arabic music, and then the ending was amazing. This weather is just so gorgeous, guys. Like right behind me, there are palm trees lit up. Someone's doing a countdown. Next up is Sephora, but we might go to have a bit of KFC. We do have a lot of KFC in the UK though, that's the only thing. But I was just saying we've had so much red meat, so we could go McDonald's. Sephora, oh my god. This is actually the first, you know this is the first one in my life I've ever been to a Sephora shop.
From there.
Ooh, this is very graceful. What do you feel the fountain? It's sick. Given us a taste of Dubai lifestyle. Living in Dubai, like, mate, it's pretty expensive as a holiday destination. I'm sure, like, if you lived here, it could be workaroundable, but money goes fast there. Goes fast, but obviously, like, we've been like just eating out all the time and stuff, and like doing the attractions. And yeah, it's beautiful here. I don't know how I feel entirely about it, but I think I could dedicate a whole other video to that one day. It's lovely. It's nice. It's nice to like be outside at this time and have this kind of breeze.